Hello everybody, Michael Washburn. I'm the Preservation Director at Seed Savers Exchange. And one of the ways that we get seeds out of the seed bank and into the hands of stewards is through an array of educational opportunities. And so this year we are teaming up with Alice Waters, good friend of mine, and her Edible Schoolyard project. And we're going to center this work around another project that we're involved with, which is the Heirloom Collard Project. So Raquel Vigil, who is a curriculum writer for the Edible Schoolyard, is going to be writing an array of curriculum all around the wonderful crop of collards. Now, collards is a great crop for schools to work with, especially with seed saving, since kids sow the seeds in the fall and steward that as a biennial crop through the year, and then towards the end of school and late spring, early summer, that's when your seeds are ready. You know, Alice Waters is very adamant about incorporating gardening education in the classroom instead of an after-school program or a second thought. And so that's what we're going to team up with Edible Schoolyard to do, is to get gardening and collards into the everyday learning of our future generation of seed stewards. So all you fine donors out there, we really appreciate everything you provide to this organization, and this is just one of the little glimpses of the things that your money goes towards. So thank you so much.